All right, you guys, we're back with another hack here. What we're about to do is rekey and dismantle a Kwikset handle. Then you want to take the remover tool and pop out the head of the handle. Now, for this, we don't have a key. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove all the pins, all the springs, and rekey it that way. First, you want to get a flathead screwdriver. You want to take the top part off of the lock cylinder. They say that this is called the Bible. So let's just say it's the Bible. You want to remove the Bible. Once you do that, pour everything out in your hand. Make sure everything gets out. Sometimes it gets stuck and sometimes it doesn't. But just make sure you get all the springs and the pins out. Next, you want to do is take the new key you have, insert it into the lock, and just start building it that way. You want to make sure that every time you put a pin in, you turn the key just to make sure that it is the right pin and you are on the right track. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to load everything bottom to top. Now, if you run into any problems, it is okay. The lock isn't going anywhere. You can take as long as you need. This is just a patience skill. Okay, remember, now that you took everything out, you can put as many pins or as least pins as you want in there. Now, once you get the springs, you want to make sure that you get the Bible, and you want to hear it click. Once you hear that click, you are good to go. Turn the key and remove it. Have any problems, any concerns? Just start over from scratch, but you got this. Like and subscribe.